So today we've actually got a real interesting one. About 3 or 4 months ago, I dropped a huge kit. As part of that launch, I ran this beat battle where producers would have the chance to basically just win a bunch of extras, including a collab with me, which I assumed was just going to be via Zoom or via Discord or something like that. But the winner actually was like, I live in Portugal, but I'm going to fly over to the UK. I actually want to meet in person. Let's do a session that way. I said, if you're cool with that, then that's fine. He's flown into Manchester. I'm heading over there right now to go link him. We're going to go studio. I've got it booked for the day. And yeah, it should be an interesting one, man. We're going to cook up a whole bunch of beats and yeah, hopefully make something dope. I got a few hours drive ahead of me right now. So I guess I'll see you guys when I get down there.
The behind the scenes of making a video.
Yeah, this is it, man. So we've got my guy, Agui Fox. Is that how you pronounce it?
Agui Fox.
Agui Fox.
But you're actually doing right because I'm pronouncing in the Portuguese way.
Okay. Agui Fox. Agui won the beat contest. To be fair, I mean, like I said in the beginning, I thought we were just going to be linking up via Zoom. That was the plan. But he was like, nope, I'm coming to the UK. I'm just going to cook some shit up, man.
Of course.
What kind of vibe are you thinking for the first one?
I have now a very particular taste. Like I'm fucking a lot with 1/5 chord progressions, spooky vibes, Travis Scott, Don Toliver vibes. That's the most thing I like to produce.
Okay.
When I heard that flute, I just think of Ghana. For real, man, the flute vibes.
Yeah, bro, the amount of times I've lost beats just through not naming it properly, I'm just like, right, I need to name everything now.
That's the problem. I actually know the random names, I name them. The most random stuff, I can like name like one thing like cup.
Cup.
I cannot remember
You
the
know
cup
what?
beat.
You know what the beat is.
Sounds crazy.
This one.
I think so. Like a catchy thing.
If you hear anything, man, just jump in.
Yeah, I'm just I'm just like enjoying it, the process.
Just taking it. Alright, I'm gonna bounce this, and then you can do your thing with it, man.
Alright.
Yeah, you take the driver's seat. Do your thing.
Let us see.
Whereabouts in Portugal are you from?
The best reference I can say you is Barreiro, which is the closest that I am. When you speak of Portugal, all of the people know the capital, Lisbon. So yeah, but actually I live in the cross the river.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm in the part. One thing that I often do, but I think it's different because you have your master buzz, I actually boost the hell of the 808.
Yeah, do it, man.
One thing that I also like think about it's kind of a me thing. On the loops, I don't like when they exactly stop. I like to use the patterns, the tail of the reverb and stuff.
Yeah, everything kind of overlaps nice.
Yeah, and just like the loop is just a static stop.
Yeah, you can put, but sometimes you can just put reverb on the loop.
That's what I actually do, just to give that little bit of sauce in the tail of the loop.
Yeah, yeah. Maybe add
yeah. Boosting like the main rim shot, right?
Huh?
Like boosting, giving some body to the rim shot.
Yeah, it's like stack it a little bit.
Yeah. Man, you too organized for me, man. I can't like rename all of that stuff. They just just go for it.
Just because when I'm doing like the stems or like if I come back into it, then I
it's
know
easier.
exactly.
Yeah.
It's just easier to be organized now, especially when like if someone uses the beat and they're like, what's this sound? I'm like,
what's
just
this? What's
label
that?
it.
Okay. Those Jacksons are majestic, man. I fuck a lot with the host Blaze Up.
Blazer, yeah, because he just tempo syncs as well.
Exactly,
so
and I think it's the Flexed.
Flexed, yeah, I like that one. I think, yeah. Yeah, that's the beat, I think, man. One down.
One down.
We'll get another one in, I think. Gonna start one?
Of course.
The floor is yours.
Let's go. I was thinking of myself as an organized person until I actually see how you do your stuff. Sometimes I feel like I just got a plugin and then I just get bored of him because I already like do a bunch of stuff and then I don't know what else I can do with it. I'm starting to think I need to do a lot of stuff because I'm just sitting here with you.
Well, if it ends like that, that's different, that last one.
Yeah, that's cool. I also do this. I stack a lot of melodies. This like little things just to spice it up the whole loop.
Yeah. Nice one.
Well, the loop is done. I always try to focus where in the 808 will hit harder.
Yeah. It's normally in like E and C. It's not in that.
Going crazy.
Are you Windows or Mac?
Windows.
Windows.
Wow, come on, man. Mac is too limited. That bouncy.
It's good, man. What have you been eating since you've been in the UK?
Man, honestly, the only thing that I ate that I really fuck with was Subway.
Subway.
Fast food.
Just fast food.
Yeah.
Just straight fast food.
Yeah, man, I tell you that Subway sandwich, I don't know what it has it, but damn, man, it was so good, I can tell you.
Chair, man. Chilling.
Yeah, I fuck with the hand timer, whatever.
And if that just like was on beat, I really like it like that now.
Yeah, it's cool, like a cool outro.
Yeah, so.
I'm fucking a lot with the sound selection, man.
I like it. 2 down.
Well, yeah, going good.
Going good. We're saying, should we get some food?
Yeah, let's go for it.
Yeah, huge shout out to Agui for traveling all the way over from Portugal, man. Yeah, we had a 6 session. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, then you're definitely going to enjoy this one right here. I travelled over to Leicester to link up with A, one of the best guitar players I've ever met, and B, one of the best rappers that I've ever worked with as well. We made a crazy song in that session, so it's definitely worth a watch. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed this one. Have a great day. Peace.